Hey guys, I'm here in the backyard in the vegetable garden, and one of our broccoli heads is ready to harvest, so I figured it would be a good opportunity for me to show you guys how to do that, when to do that, and what sort of things to keep your eye on in order to make sure that you don't miss the perfect time to harvest your broccoli. Let's take a look at what we got here. So here we have our beautiful head of broccoli that is in prime condition to harvest. You can tell that because it is really compact. Everything is tight together, but yet it is not flowering. If your broccoli head is about to flower or you see some petals opening up, you want to harvest it no matter what stage it's at. Keep an eye out on these because they'll go from a size about that big to this size, and like within a week and a half, sometimes a week, you'll see that drastic of a change. So to do this is self-explanatory. We're just gonna go a few inches below the top of that head there, chop it right off, and here we have a beautiful meal brought to you by broccoli. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy gardening.